Hello everybody, welcome back to EduTap. In this particular video, we are launching our RBI Grade B live crash course for the phase 2 exam. Now mind you my friends, you might ask me this question, that's why you are launching this phase 2 course right now? Because the results of phase 1 are not out yet. So why this much of hurriness? Why you are launching the course of phase 2 right now? See, the simple answer is we all know that RBI Grade B phase 2 will happen on 6th December. And if you see today, you don't have that much of time left for preparing phase 2. So even if you have slightest of chances for clearing phase 1, I think you should prepare for phase 2. Right? So the more early you start preparing for phase 2, the better it is for all of you. Right? Now you might ask me, sir, that I am in the score of 50 to 60, sir, I am in the score of 60 to 70 in phase 1. See, we all know that how this year paper was, and we have already made the estimated cutoff video on our channel. So if you are getting anything above 70, then I still think you have a very good chance for clearing phase 1. And if you are getting 75, 80, then you have a very beautiful chance for appearing in phase 2. So if you are getting above 70, then I think you should start preparing for phase 2. But if you are still confused, then I leave the call to you. As a teacher, I will definitely advise you that you should not wait for phase 1 results to come, because that will take more number of time, right? It will definitely take at least a week for the phase 1 results to be out. So what you have to do right now is start preparing for phase 2 and make sure that you have a very good preparation for the phase 2, because phase 1 was just qualifying. So even if you clear the cutoff by 0.5 marks, you will still move ahead to phase 2. But in phase 2, you know the game is of merit. So you have to score as high as possible in phase 2. Right? So for phase 2, we are launching our RBI Grade B live crash course for phase 2 today. And this phase 2 course will help you in all the dimensions. By dimensions, I mean in all the 3 papers of phase 2. So in paper 1 of ESI, which is your economic and social issues, you will get the live classes. You will get the summary sheet. You will also get the quizzes, and you will also get previous year questions. So what is the format of this course is that you attend the live class with the teacher. And by the way, live classes are starting on 24th of October. So you better hurry if you want to have a good shot for phase 2. Right? So live classes are starting, and if you see for all the papers, descriptive English and for finance and management also, you will get live classes. And for current affairs also, you will get live classes. So in ESI, I was on ESI paper, right? So first you have to watch the live class which the teacher will conduct. And yes, if you miss any live class, then don't worry. You can watch the recorded version of the live class, right? Which will be uploaded in the course within a span of 24 hours. So first you got the live class with the teacher. Then you revise with the help of summary sheet. And summary sheet over here is completely downloadable. You can download and take the print if you need it. And you also have chapter wise quizzes, and you also have previous year questions for that particular chapter. So this is how you do a comprehensive preparation for ESI. The same structure is followed in paper number 3 also, which is your finance and management. Right? Over here also you will get live classes which will be conducted by the esteemed faculties of EduTap. Then you will get summary sheet. You will also get chapter wise quizzes, and you will also get multiple previous year questions to solve chapter wise. And if you see the total number of count for the questions which you will get in this particular course, it goes above 5,000. Right? So we have provided you multiple MCQs which will help you to practice and practice. Right? And for descriptive English, like it is your paper number 2, over here also you will get live classes plus the fodder material. For example, the teacher will first teach you that how you have to write an essay, how you have to write a précis, how you have to write the component of reading comprehension. So understand the basics from the live class. Then we will provide you some fodder material which will help you to enhance your answer, specifically for the essay component. Right? And we have divided our fodder material into multiple different topics. Right? So you can read the fodder material, incorporate the points given in fodder material into your answer, which will definitely give you a good enhanced answer from your end. Right? And then we are providing you full length mocks also. Full length mocks total we are providing you 15, but this 15 is divided 5 for ESI, 5 for descriptive English, and 5 for finance and management also. And all the mocks, whether it's objective or descriptive, it will be evaluated. Right? For evaluation of descriptive mocks, we will share with you a detailed feedback line by line so that you understand that where you are performing. right? So we are providing you 5 each for all 3 papers. It basically means 15 full length mock tests, but I have told you 5 for ESI, 5 for English, and 5 for FM paper. And for current affairs, which is integral component of your ESI and your finance paper, right? For current affairs, we are providing you live classes again, plus the magazine. So you will get access to magazines like, for example, the current tab, the schemes tab, the RBI notifications, covering all the important budget news, economic survey, and whatnot, right? And over here you will also get one more component which I forgot to write, the quizzes. So for every magazine there will be a quiz which will give you a proper platform, proper platform to give objective kind of questions, right? Moreover, we are also providing you support. Support as in, like, if you find any doubt, if you feel nervous, if you need any strategy guidance, then you can connect to your mentor directly, right? So there is a facility of one-on-one call which you can definitely avail by booking your discussion call. For that you just have to write a mail. It's very easy process. Plus we will also have some weekly meetings wherein you can share your doubt with the teacher and teacher will address it directly. And then we are also providing you mentorship which will make sure that you have a complete comprehensive preparation in this particular course, right? Now you can go on our website, which is edutap.in, and the course is already live on our website. So you will get live classes, solve previous year questions, chapter wise tests, and full tests also, right? You can download on the Word brochure, read the deliverables again. If that is interested to you, like if that looks interesting to you, then definitely do give a thought for joining this particular course. That's it, my friend. Thank you for watching this video. Live classes are starting on 24th. I hope I will see you in the live classes now. That's it. Have a great day ahead.